This is Mew. Now that one's mine, so she hasn't been docked. Hey! Where's this one? Oh, this is Kovu. Hi, Kovu. Kovu is so cute. I love his markings.
That is so good.
This one is...
Jamie, that's so good. That's an accident really happened.
Zeus, come here.
It's only 2 plugs. It's just single.
And this is Timmy. Hi, Timmy.
It's an extension cord with 2 plugs in it.
Timmy.
Okay.
Timmy.
Mommy.
Arr.
Okay, 1 more hour, and then you can open your presents. I wanted to let you open your presents, baby. It's not me. It's not me.
Can you hand me Dot over there?
Oh,
Okay.
It's Dot.
to get
Hi, sweetie. And this is Simba.
Oh, Molly!
And Mew is mine, so she doesn't have a dock tail. Mew, Mew. I think this is Dot. Hi, Dot. No, this is Leela.
No, you got it.
Leela. Leela.
You guys,
Hey, guys.
please to Grandpa. Is the dog happy here, Jennifer? This little white one?
The foster, yeah. Hey, puppies.
I'm trying to get the puppies.
She looks happy. Grace, I asked Grandpa to open your presents, and he said we have to wait just a little longer. Grandpa wants to take a nap.
How mean. I think we'll all take a nap on Reese's birthday.
Okay, I got the bed made. Let's go.
Okay, so there they are this time. Let's get some pictures in. Say bye, guys.
Time finish eating?
Yeah.
Puppy!
Grandma, do you know where my contacts are?